In the event that you're searching for the Jasmy coin value expectation or finding the capability of Jasmy, this value estimate can be useful for you. Our cost conjecture depends on a profound specialized investigation and past execution of the Jasmy coin. Here we will attempt to dissect the capability of Jasmy coin in the long haul. As information was accumulated from the task site, Jasmy coin is on the lookout for information democratization and needs to place information sway in the possession of shoppers. The center area of Jasmy is IoT, Web of Things, blockchain, and information. A majority rules government. The Jasmy Group means to be a definitive player in the fourth modern upheaval. Because of its fame, many individuals additionally call Jasmy the Bitcoin of Japan. Jasmy coin is today one of the most well-known crypto projects on the lookout. The genuine use instances of the task make Jasmy coin a promising undertaking in the long haul. As one of the developing DeFi projects, Jasmy coin is chipping away at numerous drives. As we found through CoinMarketCap, by its restricted symbolic stock and reaction from financial backers, Jasmy coin might soar in the impending months. Since its starting date, Jasmy coin has shown broad development in the crypto market. Jasmy coin has given an extraordinary revisitation of its underlying financial backers in 2021. According to its restricted symbolic stockpile and local area support, the eventual fate of Jasmy coin is splendid. The Jasmy coin costs revitalized to an untouched high of $4.9 in February 2021. In any case, as the crypto market turns down, Jasmy coin's exhibition additionally gets negative in 2023. According to our examination, the costs of Jasmy coin will keep on filling in the following 10 years, outperforming the $10 mark before this decade's over. As all cryptos are as the year progressed, Jasmy coin's presentation can be additionally sluggish. There are solid prospects that Jasmy coin can get again its situation assuming the market begins to recuperate. Jasmy coin value expectation 2023. Jasmy coin is recuperating this year from the long negative occasions. According to our cost forecast, Jasmy coin can arrive at a greatest value level of $0.025 by 2023. In the event that there is a bull rally in 2023, the costs of Jasmy coin might flood more than our cost figure. Nonetheless, the normal cost of Jasmy coin can be around $0.012. Assuming there is any negative pattern, the base cost of the Jasmy coin can be down up to $0.0094. Jasmy coin value expectation 2024. According to our cost expectation, the greatest exchanging cost of Jasmy coin can be around $0.035 in 2024. On the off chance that the market goes according to our assumptions, the typical cost of Jasmy can be around $0.038. Notwithstanding, on the off chance that the market turns down, the base value level of Jasmy can go down up to $0.029 this year. According to our cost examination, Jasmy coin's greatest value worth might cross $0.052 once more on the off chance that the market sees a few decent developments in 2024. Jasmy coin value forecast 2025. Jasmy coin can be the main 100 crypto project in 2025. According to our Jasmy coin cost forecast, their worth might hit another level this year. By 2025, we might expect a typical cost of $0.073 in the event that ongoing presentation proceeds. Our most extreme cost expectation for Jasmy coin is $0.089 this year, while the base value level can be around $0.059, assuming the market turns down. Notwithstanding, on the off chance that the market gets bullish, the worth of Jasmy coin can flood more than our cost gauge in 2025. Jasmy coin value forecast 2030. Jasmy coin might give you some great benefit on the off chance that you can hold it till 2030. There are signs that the crypto market is going to enter another age this year. Genuine venture-based cryptos like Jasmy can surpass the market. The year 2030 can end with a typical cost of $5.42, while the base value worth of Jasmy coin can be around $3.72. Alongside Jasmy coin, numerous cryptos can hit their new all-time high this year. The most extreme cost of Jasmy coin is supposed to exchange around $7.83 in 2030. On the off chance that there is a bullish climate in the market in 2030, the costs of Jasmy coin might soar and outperform our drawn-out figure. Jasmy coin value forecast 2040. Jasmy coin has extraordinary expected in the long haul. After such a long excursion, numerous cryptos can be at their pinnacle. According to our Jasmy coin cost figure, the Jasmy coin can hit another ATH level this year. By 2040, we might expect a typical cost of Jasmy $29.71. Our greatest cost expectation for Jasmy coin is $35.23 in 2040. On the off chance that the market gets bullish, the Jasmy coin might flood more than our Jasmy coin cost figure in 2040. While the base value level can be around $26.23, assuming that the market gets negative. Jasmy coin value forecast 2050. It's difficult to make long-haul cost gauge. Here we will work out through the ongoing execution. The year 2050 can end with a typical cost of $97.45, while the base value worth of Jasmy coin can be around $86.73. After such a long excursion, alongside Jasmy coin, numerous cryptos can hit their new all-time high this year. The greatest cost is supposed to exchange around $105.16. On the off chance that more financial backers are drawn to the Jasmy in the middle of between these years, the costs of Jasmy coin can be a lot higher in 2050 than our cost figure. Is Jasmy coin a wise venture? According to the new spike in costs, Jasmy coin has demonstrated that it can shock financial backers with enormous returns. Jasmy coin is one of the quickest developing DeFi projects, and cryptos with genuine use cases can areas of strength for B nature. According to our cost examination, the drawn-out interest in Jasmy coin has all the earmarks of being a decent choice to consider. Despite the fact that the Jasmy coin cost appears to be bullish, Jasmy coin and other cryptos are unpredictable and can alter their cost course whenever. In the event that you are a shrewd financial backer and like to make hazardous ventures, Jasmy coin can be an extraordinary decision. Cryptos are today the most useful resources as well as the least secure too. Thus, prior to pursuing any speculation choice, do your legitimate gamble. The executives. Will Jasmy coin reach $100? As the Jasmy coin siphoned hugely in 2021, numerous crypto brokers are interested to know, regardless of whether the Jasmy coin can contact $100. According to our Jasmy coin forecast, Jasmy can reach $100 in the following 10 years, generally presumably somewhere in the range of 2035 and 40. Jasmy coin is an incredible computerized resource with a genuine use case. Also, in the crypto market, the sky is the limit. As we have found in the beyond, an extraordinary bull rally or bear rally can whip all the cost forecasts in a moment or two. In the event that more financial backers are drawn to the Jasmy coin project, the cost of Jasmy coin can skyrocket, and it might hit its $100 focus before our Jasmy coin cost expectation. A few new postings on premium trades may likewise build the worth of Jasmy coin. Is Jasmy coin a siphon and dump? Jasmy coin frequently siphons a similar dump, yet it's ordinary in the crypto market. Because of incredibly unpredictable way of behaving, numerous brokers use to find out if Jasmy coin is as long as possible or simply a siphon and dump. As we broke down the past execution of Jasmy coin, it is a promising undertaking. Certain